A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Kulsoom was born on the 16th of Ramadan in the 9th year after Hijrah. Sayyidah Kulsoom was the daughter of the great Imam Ali and the lady of the women of the world, Sayyidah Fatima Zahra. Sayyidah Kulsoom was the youngest of the 4 children of Imam Ali and Sayyidah Fatima. She had 2 older brothers, Imam Hussain and Imam Hussain, and 1 older sister, Sayyidah Zainab. Kulsoom married the son of Ja'far ibn Abu Talib, Muhammad. The husband of Kulsoom died at Karbala. Throughout his life he was alongside our Imams in many battles, and he was present in Karbala. Hassan Muhammad and Kulsoom did not have any children. So, on the night of Ashura, whilst all the mothers prepared their children for the day ahead, Bibi Kulsoom sat alone in her tent and cried as if her heart would break. "I have no children," she sobbed. Hazrat Abbas came into her tent and said, "My dear sister, you have looked after me like a son from when I was born. Let me represent you tomorrow." This great lady was very young when her mother, Sayyidah Fatima, passed away. She was only 1.5 years old. Sayyidah Kulsoom was raised in the laps of her father, Imam Ali. To Kulsoom, her father was everything because she never had the chance to have a relationship with her mother. On the night of the 19th of Ramadan, when Imam Ali was struck on his head, the Imam was at the house of Sayyidah Kulsoom. Kulsoom also had a strong stance at Karbala with Imam Hussain. Sayyidah Zainab and Sayyidah Kulsoom were like rocks by Imam Hussein's side at Karbala. Sayyidah Kulsoom gave a sermon at Kufa after Karbala. When she gave her sermon, people were saying, "Is this Ali ibn Abu Talib speaking?" because of the quality and the power of her sermon. Her words are amazing. This sermon should be read and memorized. This sermon should be implemented in the lives of anyone who strives to live like this great lady. When she spoke these words, narrations state the people started crying. Sayyidah Kulsoom in a sermon at Kufa said, "O people of Kufa, may evil touch you. Why did you leave Hussein alone without any assistance? Why did you slay him? And why did you ransack his property as if it were your own inheritance? You held his women as captives, and you hid them, and you harmed them. Woe be to you, and may hellfire overtake you. Do you know what you have brought onto yourself? Do you know the burden you have put onto your backs? Do you know whose blood you have shed? Do you know which great ladies you have grieved? Do you know which daughters you have ransacked? And do you know whose properties you have plundered? You have killed the best of men after Rasulullah Muhammad, peace be upon him, and have not shown any affection or any love. But we'll be patient. Soon the army of Allah will be triumphant, and the army of Shaitan will be the losers."